friends, this is Juneja and today we are going to talk about ALTROZ Automatic, or what Tata Motors call it, ALTROZ DCA. First of all, what is DCA? So, DCA means Dual Clutch Automatic. You must be thinking now, what exactly is Dual Clutch Automatic? Let me explain you in detail. Dual clutch technology is considered one of the best automatic technology in automotive industry due to its performance, comfort, driving pleasure and efficiency. It's like you get almost everything what you want from an automatic. So if this is DCT, then is ALTROZ DCA same as other automatic? How is it different? How is it better? Well, I'm going to give you all the answers. DCA is an advanced and innovative form of DCT. It is world's first DCT to have patented planetary gear system. You must be wondering what is planetary gear system. Well, it's a new form of gear system, that's all I can say. Kind of too technical, but what we can understand is that DCA is using latest technology. Now you will ask me, what's the benefit of this? Due to this innovative technology, DCA has 35% reduction in shifting paths. So less number of paths means better shift quality and lower maintenance. Tata Motors has designed DCA specifically for India. They studied Indian market and Indian driving conditions to find out what consumers actually need. And today I am going to explain you in 5 simple points so that you will understand it and remember it as well. Number 1, wet clutch technology with active cooling. Now you would agree with the fact that India is a hot country. We have places such as Chennai or Jaisalmer where temperature touches 50 degrees and large part of the country has hot weather for many months. In these hot conditions, combined with our stop-start traffic, it really puts a lot of stress on automatic transmission. This is why ALTROZ comes with wet clutch technology. Wet clutch technology is an expensive technology that is normally seen in higher segment cars. It's a premium and expensive technology which ALTROZ DCA is offering. ALTROZ DCA has wet clutch with active cooling technology. Now what is active cooling? Active cooling means that you monitor the temperature of oil of wet clutch so that it does not heats up and poses risk to gearbox. ALTROZ DCA has active cooling which monitors oil temperature at 100 times per second and takes corrective action with slightest of variations. Trust me, 100 times per second is really fast. So there is no risk of gearbox getting heated and you can drive comfortably at any location. And I'm sure you would have read on internet how some automatic cars in India gets heated up and then you can't drive those cars for more than 30-45 minutes. But all of this doesn't happen to our customers. That's why ALTROZ DCA has wet clutch with active cooling technology. Number 2, machine learning. Along with varying environmental conditions in India, there are a lot of variation in driving patterns. Some of us are aggressive drivers who changes gears very quickly and fast. But I've seen many of such drivers in Delhi, while some of us are balanced drivers who wants to drive comfortably and peacefully. What these guys want is comfort and no jerk. So you see how our personal driving habits are different. Irrespective of this, all customers want their car to drive smoothly irrespective of their driving pattern. Now the problem is, if we design the car for aggressive drivers, balanced driver will feel jerks, and if design the car for balanced drivers, aggressive drivers will want to change the gear quickly. So what to do? ALTROZ DCA comes with machine learning algorithm, which means the car monitors your driving pattern and tries to adapt as per your driving pattern. Machine learning algorithm compares what the performance should be with what the performance is and adjusts the transmission as per the driving style. The ALTROZ DCA gets personalized as per your needs. Smart and amazing. Number 3, Auto Park Lock. India, where everyone is in a hurry, and sometimes in a hurry we forget things. Even like putting parking brake on when we are leaving the car, or putting car on parking mode if you drive automatic. Being the safest hatchback in India, ALTROZ will offer Auto Park Lock feature, which will automatically engage parking mode or P mode, preventing the vehicle from unwanted movement in certain conditions. ALTROZ DCA detects absence of driver and it will automatically engages park lock. When will auto park lock get activated? It's a good question. 4 conditions should be met for the feature. Driver's seat is unbuckled, no pedals are in press mode, engine is on and the driver door is open. Number 4, self-healing technology. Well, construction everywhere, construction on the roads. India is a dusty country and this puts additional risk to automatic transmission performance if dust enters the transmission system. Apart from standard filtration, DCA uses self-healing technology to clear out dust. The system monitors to detect dust and take actions like vibration of valves or acceleration of oil in the entire system in order to flush out dust particles. Number 5, shift by wire. The experience of some automatic transmissions is that they are slow, jerky and lag when you accelerate. The shift by wire is exclusively available in the ALTROZ DCA, enabling a smoother driving experience. The shift by wire technology is completely electronic, eliminating the use of any mechanical cables. This ensures that the ALTROZ DCA is nimble yet dynamic with quick gear shifts in 250 milliseconds per shift. Certainly, I am very much impressed by ALTROZ DCA. With so many features, it's really amazing the amount of innovation and consumer insight that has gone in delivering this masterpiece. I think I should call DCA the delightful, comfortable automatic instead of dual clutch automatic. The ALTROZ DCA is introduced in this brand new color, the Opera Blue, and will be available in 6 variants: XM Plus, XT, XZ and XZ Plus of ALTROZ and XT Dark and XZ Plus Dark as well. DCA will be available with 1.2 litre Revotron petrol engine. It is not available on iTurbo or diesel engine. In addition to this new Opera Blue, the ALTROZ DCA would also be part of the hashtag dark range, other than being available in Downtown Red, Arcade Grey, Avenue White and Harbour Blue color. Now I will talk about what makes the ALTROZ hashtag the gold standard in hatchback. Well, there are 5 reasons because of which ALTROZ has won the hearts of millions of Indians in such a short time. Number 1, ALTROZ is India's safest hatchback. ALTROZ is the only hatchback in India with a 5-star global NCAP safety rating. It provides the highest level of safety in all your drives. Its alpha architecture provides a strong and sturdy body structure to keep passengers safe at all times. ALTROZ also has a host of safety features such as dual front airbags, rear parking camera, ISOFIX, voice alerts, and many more. Such a beauty. Number 2, the design of ALTROZ. ALTROZ has futuristic and clutter-breaking design. ALTROZ has a strong road presence and stands out compared to other hatchbacks. The futuristic design of ALTROZ is much appreciated by customers. The exterior has a laser-cut design with shooting comet line. The cockpit-inspired interior design with metallic finish on the dashboard. And not to forget, ambient blue light across the floating infotainment enhances the premium look of the ALTROZ. Number 3, ALTROZ provides the ultimate luxury to its customers. ALTROZ has spacious interiors. The best in segment, height and width of the ALTROZ ensures that its passengers are comfortably seated. It has 90-degree opening door for the ease of ingress and egress. Also, there is rear flat floor that ensures 3 passengers comfortably sitting in the rear seat. The premium leatherette seats, the leather gear knob, the leather-wrapped steering wheel, it all adds to the luxury of this beautiful car. Number 4, ALTROZ has a host of advanced features. ALTROZ comes with IRA connected car technology, auto headlamps, cruise control, rear AC vents, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment by Harman, 7-inch TFT cluster screen, steering mounted cluster controls and more. And number 5, wide range of engines to choose from. ALTROZ comes with 1.2-litre Revotron petrol engine, 1.5-litre Revotorque diesel engine and 1.2-litre I-turbo petrol engine. The ALTROZ Automatic is available in 1.2-litre Revotron petrol engine option. ALTROZ also has multi-drive modes with the manual transmission that gives customers the best of 2 engines. ALTROZ is available in 6 variants: XE, XE+, XM+, XT, XZ and XZ+. All this is available at a very attractive price point. So now we know why the ALTROZ is winning hearts across India, and ALTROZ setting hashtag the gold standard in hatchbacks. Check out the ALTROZ at nearest Tata Motors showroom now while I enjoy my drive in this beauty.
The gold standard is more than a benchmark. It's the inspiration behind the finest detail. Performance that keeps raising the bar. Safety that's nothing short of 5 stars. And the brightest color of perfection. The gold standard in premium hatchbacks is here, and it welcomes you with wings wide open. ALTROZ, the gold standard.